Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Dalmatian. Those are the super cute dogs with all the spots. So in order to draw our spotty dog, we got to start off with the eyes. So we're going to draw 2 ovals for the eyes, 2 ovals for the eyes. Then we're going to draw 2 more ovals looking off to the side. So our Dalmatian's going to be looking a little bit to the side. Then we're going to draw a circle near the top of the eye, a circle near the top of the eyes, and then one more oval. One more oval. All right, awesome. So we're going to color in that last oval we just drew. That's going to be the pupil of the eye. So we're going to draw in that last oval we just drew, and that'll be the pupil. As you can see, I'm going really slow. You guys should also go pretty slow, take your time. Honestly, the slower we go when we're making our art, the less likely you are to make a mistake. So I don't see any problem in taking your time. There is no rush. All right, we got the eyes done. Then we're gonna go ahead and draw our Dalmatian's eyebrows. We're gonna draw those eyebrows real quick. Then when we're done drawing the eyebrows, we're gonna draw the snout. So it's this line that curves down, and it's gonna curve again into a smile. And then we're just missing his little nose, so then we're gonna draw his nose on top of that. His nose on top of that. Dalmatians have black noses, so we're gonna draw this little shine on the nose to make it a little shiny. And then we'll go ahead and color it in. All right. Then we're gonna draw his little tongue out. Well, there's his little tongue. And we're gonna draw the sides of his head. So there's one side of his head. And there's the other side of his head. Awesome. Then we're gonna draw those ears. So Dalmatians have floppy ears. So we're gonna draw a curve. Then a curve that goes around, comes up. We're gonna do the same thing over here. Curved line. Then another curved line, comes down and then up. And then we're gonna finish off the top of the head. And there's the head of the Dalmatian. Now we just need to draw his body and his legs and his tail. So we're gonna draw these 2 zigzags. This is gonna be his neck. This is his neck. Then we need to draw his collar. So we have this part that comes out. And then we're just gonna add these lines to connect. There's one part of the collar, and here is the other part of the collar. Then we draw the square shape. And then another square in the middle. And then some little dots to finish off our collar. Perfect, then we're gonna move on to the rest of the body. So we're gonna draw this curved line and then stop because we need to add a leg. So we're gonna draw a straight line down that curves. That's gonna be for the paw, and then another straight line up. Then we're gonna draw 2 curved lines for the toes. And then we're gonna draw the other paw. Now this other paw is gonna be in the air. So there's the other paw we're gonna draw, and then of course we're gonna add those lines for the toes as well. Then we're gonna draw the tummy. This right here is the tummy. Then we're gonna draw the hind leg. We draw the C shape, curves down into the feet. Then we're gonna go to this side, curved line, curves down into the feet. We're gonna do this foot on this side. Same dealio. Boop. Then we're gonna add those curved lines for the toes once again. Curved lines for the toes once again. And we'll draw the back. And then we'll draw the tail, which is just 2 lines. Then we are done drawing our Dalmatian. So Dalmatians have lots of spots, so put spots wherever you want. I give mine brown eyes and a red collar. Have fun coloring, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.